I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? Okay, the answer is Lulli. नहीं?
Hi guys, मेरा नाम है मिहिर.
Hi guys, this is Anubhav.
We decided to shoot a video that is quarantine friendly.
This quarantine, we decided to quiz and chill.
मेरे सामने there's a group of these silly questions.
मेरे सैलरी से लिए, मेरे स्कूल में मार्क्स से लिए, मेरा जब फट गया था वो भी सी लिए मैंने.
And on that pleasant note, let's start.
They sweat यार, मतलब
They do sweat. Have you seen them? They're like always dripping.
Because they have
probably they are cool. अच्छा खेलते हैं, बहुत cool है.
Cricket players, they do sweat. That's really stupid.
I think it's because they have a lot of fans.
Because they have huge fans. And that's just no.
ये था इसका आंसर.
मुझे अगर क्वेश्चन पूछोगे मुझे हमेशा आंसर आता है.
What is in the middle of Paris? What? Eiffel Tower.
What is in the middle of Paris? The Eiffel Tower. The whole city is built around the Eiffel Tower.
मिडल ऑफ आईफिल टावर या फिर नेपोलियन बोना जो भी बोना हुआ है वो.
P-A अच्छा उस टाइप का है ना, तो P-A-R.
मिडल ऑफ पेरिस क्या हो सकता है? कुछ होगा, नो आइडिया.
नहीं P-A-R.
आर, द लेटर आर. PARIS मिडल. वाह. अगर मुझे पता भी होता तो मैं नहीं बोलता.
Is this a double meaning question? A woman.
I have the answer, but am I allowed to say this?
Do you mean who is always coming but never arrives? Sorry.
I think the answer is. Sorry, I don't have the answer.
Borively slow. I don't know.
What is the answer?
Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, it makes sense.
Tomorrow. What?
इसमें कोई भी वैसा वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
But United States and Canada anyway have a very liberal border.
Why would they be burying survivors? I mean, they're logic.
Trick question. We don't bury the survivors क्योंकि वो जिंदा है. उनको हक है जीने का, तो उनको bury करने की जरूरत नहीं है. छोटा होता है फ्लाई, बर्ड बड़ा होता है.
You can't swat a bird. Birds don't sit on your food and infect everything. Birds don't give you diseases.
बर्ड के बहुत अजीब आवाज आते, कैक का का कू कू. फ्लाइज के नहीं आते, फ्लाइज के
Birds don't die in that machhar wala chhap. I don't know.
Bird also flies, but the fly flies.
ओके, क्या है आंसर? आई डोंट नो. अ बर्ड कैन फ्लाई बट अ फ्लाई कांट बर्ड.
A bird can fly, but a fly cannot bird. Oh my god.
वाह, क्या जबरदस्त आंसर है. मजा आ गया खेल के. पॉइंट्स देना है ना 2. बड़ी टट्टी क्वेश्चन मत पूछो.
Bay of Bengal is a fucking sea. How can it be in a state?
West Bengal. Bay of Bengal is in West Bengal. Ha ha ha. What's the answer?
It's a sea, so it's in an alphabetical state.
आई नो दिस, ये बचपन से हमको पता है. लिक्विड, राइट? सिली में भी थोड़ा टफ होना चाहिए यार, मतलब ये सब तो अपने लेवल का ही नहीं.
Cocaine.
ऐसा कुछ है क्या? 8 दिन ही नहीं होते, 7 दिन होते हैं हफ्ते में.
ही स्लीप्स बाय नाइट. सही ना? सही है ना?
By sleeping during the night. That was no. I think cocaine is the better answer. I win.
ये वाला तो लेम था यार. ओ
क्या है ना, तुम लोग इस लेवल पे हो, मैं इस लेवल पे खेलता हूँ. ऑब्वियसली जब रेड स्टोन पानी में गिरेगा तो वो रेड स्टोन ही रहेगा, कोई ब्लू सी की वजह से वो चेंज नहीं हो जाएगा. Am I correct?
It will become a sinking treasure, dear friends. It will not become anything. It will just sink. It will go in the water and sink.
It will still be a red stone in the blue sea.
It becomes wet.
A wet stone?
वो wet तो बनेगा, obvious बात है, but the point is कि वो red रहेगा. That's what I was. My answer is also right. मैं एक भी आंसर गलत दे नहीं सकता. Wrong दे सकता हूँ, but गलत दे नहीं सकता.
It will become wet. Okay, I said the same thing. It will sink. Same thing. Sorry, I win.
Bones?
Virginity.
Light.
Victory.
Poop. Poop is the answer.
Your heart. No one can hold your heart unless you're having operations. I don't know.
नहीं पर promise. That's what I meant at the starting also. Virginity promise. A dismembered fox जिसका हमने बॉडी निकाल लिया है बट हेड और टेल रखा है.
A car. It has a headlight, a tail light, but no, a car has a body also.
It technically is it's right ना. अगर एक फॉक्स को काट के उसमें निकाल दिया, सिर्फ बॉडी और टेल रखा, मैं करूँगा नहीं, बट नहीं.
A coin. I knew this one. A coin. Coin.
कॉइन का हेड और टेल होता है बट बॉडी नहीं होता. राइट. कोई भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. बाईसाइकिल कीज, मतलब साइकिल कीज या कार कीज. फाइनल आंसर ये. हाँ मतलब बता रहा हूँ मतलब.
Is it turkeys?
Which kid is carrying a key? I never had a key. No one I know had a key when they were a kid. They probably swallow it, like tear their whole windpipe and die if they had a key.
Keys to Salman Khan movies. Keys to Tiger Shroff movies. नहीं?
What's the answer?
Kiki, do you love me? ये वाला की भी नहीं. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
Cookies.
Cookies. अच्छा, but आपने KEYS लिखा है क्वेश्चन में तो.
जैसे stupid वाले रह जाते हैं, लोग बुरा लगता है. Okay, next one.
थर्ड पर्सन वेक पहना था, टकला था, बॉल्ड.
I don't know. It's beyond me.
He was bald and beautiful. Yes.
Was one wearing a shower cap?
One guy is bald.
It was bald, right? Okay. I feel stupid. Relationship advice, I think. Because everyone never takes relationship advice.
You need food, water and shelter. These are basic things you need. You want a lot of things, but you don't necessarily need all those things. But you can never take it.
नीड, वांट और मांगता भी है. मेरे दिमाग में कुछ तो है जो सबको नीड, वांट और आस्क फॉर का भी सीन होता है उसका. नीड मेरे को चाहिए भी, मैं मांगता भी है, पर मैं लूंगा नहीं. वहीं पे there's a disconnect.
With bath, you take a bath, you need a bath, you also want a bath.
क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि नीड, वांट और आस्क फॉर क्या होता है. वो बोल सकता हूँ, बोल सकता हूँ घपाघप. बट हाँ वहीं पे वो था कि बट डजंट टेक. डिप्रेस्ड सेक्स, डिप्रेस्ड घपाघप कि मुझे चाहिए, आई नीड इट, आई वॉन्ट इट, आई आस्क फॉर इट ऑल्सो, बट फिर मैं लूंगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं डिप्रेस्ड हूँ. समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
It's advice. It's advice. It's advice. Okay.
It's not necessarily people never take. Sometimes people do take it. This question is flawed. It's not me, it's the question. So guys, these are some good tricky questions that I tried answering and I got most of them right. Some of them I got a bit confused in. Did you get any of those right? Please let us know.
And I hope you are being safe, and I hope that things get back to normal so we can put out more fun videos for you. And in the meantime, if you did like this, please don't forget to like,
Share.
And subscribe to Chili Flakes and keep watching these awesome videos which we produce.